Hello from the Bureau with the latest update on Tropical Cyclone Alfred. Let's start by taking a look at the past 12 hours of satellite imagery, focusing in on areas that are being affected by this system. You can see the tropical low that's been in the southwestern parts of the Gulf of Carpentaria did intensify further, reaching Category 1 tropical cyclone status this morning. Out on the periphery of Tropical Cyclone Alfred, there's quite a few showers and thunderstorms that are sweeping in from the Gulf of Carpentaria over the Queensland coastline, bringing heavy falls to those areas. The system is still fairly slow moving, but it is expected to move down to the southeast over the next 24 hours. Taking a look at the latest warnings as of around about lunchtime on Monday, we still have severe weather warnings out for heavy rainfall and damaging winds on the Queensland side of the Northern Territory border. That's for these showers and storms that have been sweeping in over these areas. Not surprisingly, with a lot of heavy rainfall, including locally over 200 millimetres at Centre Island, flood watches are in place for the Gulf rivers and the Carpentaria coastal rivers. And with some of that rainfall that's already fallen, some flood warnings are in place, which does include a minor flood warning for the McArthur River for ongoing flooding at Borroloola. For the tropical cyclone warning zone itself, that extends from Port Roper in the Northern Territory to Mornington Island on the Queensland side of the border, including Groote Island in the Gulf of Carpentaria. The watch zone is from Mornington Island to Burketown in Queensland, including Mornington Island itself. Now for the cyclone track over the next 24 hours, the system is expected to move to the southeast, and that will give us a coastal crossing potentially sometime on Tuesday morning, with the system still as a Category 1 strength, but it is expected to weaken quite quickly as it moves inland, potentially just somewhere on the Northern Territory side of the Queensland-Northern Territory border. Towards the middle of the week, the system is expected to move as a tropical low towards the west, taking it across the inland parts of the top end, bringing an increase in showers and thunderstorm activity through those areas towards the end of the week. Now don't forget that these tropical cyclone track maps are issued every 3 hours, so it's really important that you stay across the latest warnings information on the Bureau's website. You can also use the BOMS weather app for latest forecasts and information, and you can follow us on Twitter.